Fix the positioning strip to the above position. Place the positioning plate at the bottom of the machine. Prepare a square piece of paper and a caliper. Measure the size of the item to be carved, which is 50 mm in length and 20 mm in width. Place the paper on the positioning board and focus it. Power on. Click the Connect. Select the Rectangle tool, create a rectangle, unlock the aspect ratio, and enter a length of 50 and a width of 20. Enter 20 for the X coordinate and 30 for the Y coordinate for easier calculation. Set the engraving parameters on the paper to ensure it is not cut through. Click the Preview button to ensure that the preview frame is entirely on the paper and closely aligned with the positioning bar. Click to start engraving. Measure the distance from the rectangle to the right side and the top side. Here the right side distance is 4.4 and the top side distance is 2.7. Select the rectangular frame, add 4.4 to X and 2.7 to Y. Run an engraving test. The rectangular frame has deviated from the values we set. This step can actually be omitted as long as the measurements are accurate. Start the official engraving. Place the wood chip and position the laser above it for focusing. Enter the text and scale it to fit within the rectangular frame. Select the text layer and define it as a new color engraving layer. Turn off the output of the blue layer of the rectangular frame and change the red layer where the text is located to fill mode. Select the text, hold down the Shift key to add the rectangular frame to the selection, and then use the alignment tool to center align them. Select the text layer, set the engraving parameters, and click to start engraving. We can save the file for easy use next time. Open the saved file. Double-click the text to edit it, or you can import a logo or image for engraving.